Kids learning. Words that start with the letter E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for envelope. E is for eyes. E is for enter. E is for exit. E is for elevator. E is for end. E is for engine. E is for empty. E is for eat. E is for eagle. E is for email. E is for ear. E is for equal. E is for 8. E is for elk. E is for eggplant. E is for earth. E is for eel. E is for explore. E is for exercise. E is for evening. E is for earthquake. E is for emotion. E is for elbow. E is for eraser. E is for eyeglasses. E is for exhaust fan. E is for eyebrows. E is for excavator. E is for education. E is for earrings. E is for era. E is for ethnic. E is for evil. E is for excel. E is for Esther. E is for easel. E is for emperor. E is for experiment. E is for eyelash. E is for expert. E is for exchange. E is for excite. E is for east. E is for echo. E is for earn. E is for edge. E is for economy.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.